Hey guys, thank you and welcome back to my channel. So today I brought to you something that has been bugging some people, or something that has got people curious of how does this thing work, does it really work and all that. I know you've seen the name there down there at the description box. I know you've seen what it says and title and all that. Yes, but I am here to share my own opinion on this cream. So excuse me, I got this well, here I'm in the UK, right? During summer in the UK, my skin gets very dark and shrinks. Like, I needed something to use to get my skin going and all that, because what works for some people do not work for some people. I hope you get that. And I went ahead to ask one of my friends that is in Africa if it's possible for her to find something that she think is all right for me to use, because she had skin like she was having skin blemishes and all that on her face. So she was talking about the soap that the tablet soap that she used that worked for her, that her face has smoothed out and it's clear and it's clean and all that. So I was just complaining to her that this weather is really destroying my skin. I can't find what exactly to use for my skin and I'm getting dark and all that. So she said okay, that this cream that she used, the soap that she used, that she's going to try and get me the cream of it so that I would see if it works for me. So I went ahead to ask if it's a bleaching cream. She said no, it's not a bleaching cream. It doesn't bleach you. It only takes out the dead skin and then makes your skin smooth and lighten you up. Which I know some people will misinterpret bleaching cream and lightening cream. They are two different things, and I know some people will disagree to that, but it's entirely, this video is just for me to say my opinion. If you do not like the video, please do not say anything bad to me, because I am going to respond. If you know you don't have anything, if you don't like this video, please, there's an X button at the top of this video. Click it and exit if you don't like it. I'm saying my experience using this cream, and this cream is K.Brother cream. This is my experience, and I am not here to tell you to use it or don't use it. I'm telling you what my experience is so far using this cream. So I bought 2 of this cream because I went ahead to say, what if this cream works and I can't find it in the UK? Please, could you go ahead and buy me 2 in case if it works. But if it doesn't work, it doesn't even cost that much. I think I bought it for 7p, the 2 of them. So she said no problem, and that was how I got these 2 creams. And now this one is still filled up, and I've used this one, half of it. Using this cream, my experience using this cream is that this cream got my skin very smooth. It didn't make me light skin, no. It didn't bleach my skin, no. It only smooths my skin, like it moisturizes you very well. That's one thing I realized about this cream. And about the smell, to be honest with you, this cream smells so bad. I hate it. It smells like chemical, and it's got this very conk smell, and you don't I do not like it. It's very conk. It smells like relaxer. Yes, it smells like what relaxer is that now? The normal African Nigerian relaxer. That's what it smells like. It has a very conk smell. That's one thing I don't like about this cream. And when it says K.Brother Gold Whitening Lotion, it does not whiten your skin. Get a fact. I want you guys to understand that some people's skin are different. Some people's got very thick layered skin. Some people's skin are very light when it comes to thickness. Some people are thick, some people are light. What works for Mr. B doesn't work for Mr. C. That's what this thing is all about. This thing never bleached me, but it never whitened me or bleached me or brought out any color from nowhere. No, it didn't even take away any black spot on my face and all that. I don't know, maybe I was impatient because I've only used it this half, but this is my experience so far using it up to this extent. But I have this group I am on Facebook. I joined this group, and on that, so many people say it works for them, some say it doesn't work for them. So it's like a two-way thing. It might work for you, it might not work for you. So whatever that works for you might not work for another person. So far, that's what my experience has been using this cream. It does not bleach my skin. No, it doesn't bleach my skin. It doesn't make me lighter. No, all it did was smooth my skin. I'm gonna open this cream and remove it and show you what the color is, in case if you're getting it. I think some people say the imitation one or the fake one is white in color, and the original one is a bit gold, and this is the original one, I believe. So I'm going to press it out. I would really like this thing to focus to show you guys. This is the is light golden color. If you can see it, it's light yellow. So this is what the cream is. The color, like I said, smells like relaxer. I do not like it. So I use this at a point. I started using it on my, my back of my knuckle and all that. So it moisturizes your skin. That's one thing about it. See how my skin is just moisturized and pretty immediately. It moisturizes your skin, makes it soft and smooth. That's the only thing I've realized using this thing so far. And why I like it is 50-50 for me. I will not conclude on this cream yet because I've not finished using the complete container, so I will not complain and I will not conclude on this cream. So this is a journey that you have to join me on, that at a point I will have to bring an update to say, okay, I have completely used this cream and it worked for me or not. So so far this is it. Use it just now to just moisturize the back of my palm and all that. So I wouldn't say it's a bad cream. I wouldn't say it's a good cream. Does that make sense? So this is my opinion using K.Brother. K.Brother, I've heard so far it works for some people it do not work for some people. This is K.Brother and this is it, if that makes sense. K.Brother, this is it. So I really like this thing to focus so that yes. So it is what it is. It is 350 ml at the bottom there. 350 ml, and this is what it looks like. K.Brother Gold. This is what it looks like. And the what do you call it? This thing is tossed below. The direction and the ingredients. I'm gonna keep it here for a few sec for people to see the ingredients. Some people that will say this is a bleaching cream and some that will say it's not a bleaching cream. This is the I hope you read and know that this product is not, it doesn't have any damaging product in there according to what is written on it. It doesn't have any damaging product in there. It has glutathione in it. Glutathione. I always call it the other way around. It has a glutathione inside it. It's a healing miracle. It said it's a healing miracle, and lactic acid. So even though it has all these things inside it, it doesn't bleach me. it never bleached me. This is my skin. Apparently I get lighter during the winter period. This is a winter period here in the UK, and my skin really gets lighter because of the weather, because of the cold weather and all that. I really get really light skinned during the winter, but during the summer, the sun and the harsh weather, I mean, comes to destroy this skin of mine, and that's the moment I keep looking for something like this to help me, you know, moisturize my skin and see if I will get anything good from it. But on using this thing, it never bleached my skin. Like I said, this is just me, and I hope this video helps you to make a decision when you are buying it or something like that. Like I said, I can't say completely if this thing it works, lightens my skin or something like that, like I'm still using it. So you keep an eye. It's going to be an update soon telling you guys if I completely agrees 100% with this cream. It says lightening cream, whitening, apparently whitening. Why do I keep saying lightening? It said whitening. So I'm gonna keep an eye to see if this thing is totally what they said it is or not, and I'll let you guys know in my other video. Thank you very much guys for your time, and please, if you do not like this video, don't go and say what you do not know about down there. Go ahead and click the star button and exit. It'll be good for you to do that rather than make someone feel uncomfortable, people who are reading them comments. As for me, I've got a thick skin. I don't actually care. That's what it is. I've got a thick skin, so whatever you write there, I definitely know you will say something. It doesn't concern me. It's not my business. But the thing is, watch people who are reading it down there. There might be children reading those things, and they will say you are nasty, and that's what it is. Anyway, I believe of course some children will lie and say they are 18 just to get into YouTube and all that. Don't forget that even though there's a new thing now that YouTube says, oh, go ahead and tell us if this content is for kids and for adults. All my videos are for adults, but I know there are cheeky kids out there who will definitely browse into your video to see whatever you're doing, especially kids from Africa, and you cannot deny them when they say this is their age. But it is what it is. Be careful what you say out there. Be careful what you write out there. Karma is coming for you. That's what it is. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next other video. Thank you very much, and bye.